Hi there, thanks for joining. In the next few minutes, you'll find out how you can use the tyntec connector Portability Check to validate phone numbers before texting or calling. It will help you avoid failed attempts, which translates into a better user experience and lower costs. This time, we'll work with the Microsoft Flow, but with the Power Automate, you can use the connector anywhere you want. For demo purposes, we'll build a flow that checks the phone number of any newly created contact. To begin, let's go to Power Automate by visiting flow.microsoft.com. Sign in. If you haven't already signed up, go ahead and sign up. Power Automate has a free license to every Microsoft account. Click on the environments and select the one that is not default so that you can access common data service where all records such as contacts are. Now click Create and then Automated Flow. I'm using Portability Demo and select the trigger when a record is. Click Create. This brings you to the Flow Designer. Let's fill your trigger, set the condition to create, the entity to contacts, and then scope to business unit. Now click on plus new step, type in tyntec, select the tyntec portability check, and select the check phone number using the portability check. When you are using a connector for the first time, you will see a prompt to create a connection. If so, name the connection and put your API key in. Now you set the checked phone number to business phone. Dynamic content, click on plus new step, and select the condition. This splits the flow into two branches. Set the first condition value to error code, dynamic content, and set the value to FFF. This is the error code for non-existent phone number. In the if yes branch, add an action, type in update a record, select the one from common data service, set the entity name to contacts, item ID to contact, dynamic content, and you can add description. Business phone doesn't exist. In the if no branch, add an action, select common data service, and get update a record. Select entity name, contacts, item ID contact, dynamic content. And now you can add any information from the portability check response. I'm storing all the responses in the description, whether the number is ported, which mobile operator is servicing the number, and which country the number is from. And which technology it's using, and so on. And when you are done, click Save. Let's test the flow. Go back to your Dynamics and go into Marketing. Click Contacts and then plus new flow. Fill in the first name, last name, and type in any business phone number. When you are done, press save. Wait for a few seconds and before you refresh. And then click on details and voila. It says the business phone doesn't exist. Cool, huh? Let's do an advanced example. Check out the video description. I will link to a video titled Automate Communications with a Viper, WhatsApp, and SMS that shows how to create a flow that sends an appointment message. Let's open it now. Towards the end, I added fallback SMS. But what if that phone number is invalid and it's an important message? So let's check the number. Click Add an Action. Select Portability Check. Set the checked phone number to mobile phone. Then drag the Send a Custom SMS action to below check phone number. Add a new action. Set condition. Select arrow code. Value to FFF. Now drag the action, send a custom SMS into the if node branch, save, then you are done. No more important messages go to waste. Super cool. That concludes this video. Hope you find it helpful. Thanks.